But I will show you one of the lab from the outside, that is robotic lab. From the outside you can see we have 2 robots here, and the PhD or master's level or even bachelor level final year students are working on that. So we will also see the School of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Okay, so we will start from here, and in between during the tour, even while I will talk. If you have any query, you can stop me. You can ask the query about the student, maybe student housing, transport, or student life, student culture. But we can't allow to talk on the admission process. But I can comment on the general thing, like from my own experience. So you can ask. You will go this way. Yeah. And there are a lot of international. Yeah, so if you talk about the master's level, so it's around 70% are international, from all over the world, from Italy, from Germany, from Hungary, from a lot of like different nationality, and a lot of from Asia side as well. It's a lot of international students.
Indonesia also, right?
Yeah, Indonesia also.
All right.
Yeah. So the point of mentioning here is this: everyone can speak English. There is no issue of the language barrier because our campus is in the in S4 is a city center. 20 minutes far away from the city center, but everyone speak English here. So you will like not facing any language barrier. Yeah. But at the bachelor level, the ratio of it's 50-50. 50% local students, that is defense, and 50% are international. We are taking the shortcuts to go into the School of Computer Science. So here. So this is basically our architecture. So I will show you one of few of the labs here, so you get an idea about the facilities here as well. So also emphasize on the multidisciplinary aspect. So even if you're in computer side, you can get a chance to work with other schools on the common project. We will go this way. Yeah, this is
The main building or just only for the...
This is only like 2 schools, like what I mean by school, 2 departments together to design and architecture. So we have total 7 schools, and every school has its own building. And my school is School of Chemical Engineering. So every school has like School of Electrical and Electronics. If they have their own building, we will go there as well. Yeah. And in between, if you want to take pictures of me, you can stop. And I can. So this is high quality 3D printers. So let's say if you have some subject in which you need to work on this sort of machine or printer, high quality. So you will. The good thing about studying at Aalto that you get a hands-on experience. Like it's a very like it's been 2 years, and I'm almost completing my masters, and it's like you will get a lot of options to work physically by your own hand, by learning the key skills which you learn during the first year. So that is a very, because it's a quality, like it's a infrastructure are very good. And we will go this side.
in this university also for 5 lines.
We will go from this side.
Dormitory, something like this.
Yeah, sure. I will talk about this. So about the student dormitory or student housing, we call it student housing here. So there are 2 student housing service providers. That is AYY and HUAS. So what we need to do? So for the student, we have the student housing here at the campus and outside the campus as well. So what happens? We will go this side. So there are different type of student accommodation here. We have like shared apartments, we have the family apartments, we have the studio apartments. So it depends that which type of apartment you want. cost of living here. I'll talk about that as well.
Thank you.
So for the sharing apartment, it costs you around 200 to 300 euro per month.
Per month.
It's a subsidized, and this is full of business. Yeah, we'll go this side. And for the for the studio apartment, what in the share apartment you need to share common facilities like kitchen or washroom with the other people, but you have your own room.
On room.
Yeah.
Okay.
But for the studio apartment, it's a bit expensive in a sense that you have your own apartment, everything your own.
Oh, it's like-
There is no sharing.
Oh, so I have my own kitchen.
Yeah, so it is cost you around, depending on the area, it is cost you around 400 to 600 euro.
That is outside of Aalto.
It is also at Aalto or outside at Aalto, but here at campus it's less. And the queue list, waiting A time is very big. I will show you one of the classrooms.
Sinpua.
It is full of business. This is one of the example of classroom. Yeah.
Auditorium, small.
Yeah,
Yeah, like-
so it is like if you have any course from the School of Business, you can come. You might have the sometime classes here, but if you have any courses from this school, yeah.
There's a name for each.
Every.
So this is the alumni.
Oh, this is
Yeah.
alumni chair.
Yeah. So it is not like this that this is for the student names. This is like dedicated for the alumni names. So this is the key alumni. So every chair has.
Like one of the top alumni in business. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's great.
Yeah, it is. Yeah. We will go outside then.
Okay. Multi-photo. You want to take a photo? No need.
Yeah, if you wanna take photo, you can. I can wait. Stop by somewhere if you want. We will go this side. About the student restaurants, yes. So we have like. I exactly didn't remember the exact figure, but we have a lot of like more than 50s. It is, and about the charges. So the lunch is also subsidized. So one time meal for buffet, you will get it 2.9. 2.9 euro. At the moment it's 2.99 euro. But yeah, if you wanna like try something, like there is a one restaurant who serve fish on Friday and it is around 5 euro, but it depends. But most of the restaurants has the constant price 2.99 for a student. Yeah.
Nice. They support the student, right?
Yeah. So so you just need to show your student card. They will see and they will you can avail your student card. Now we are going to the School of Electrical.
Yes. Okay.
Over here. About the transport, so in case if you don't get the apartment here at the campus, the student housing is 15 minutes walk from here. Other we will wait here. This will go.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So about the student housing, it is 15 minutes away from here by walk. But in case if you get the apartment outside the campus, the are very close. Metro, bus, and our university is in B zone. We have total 4 zones here in this area, Osima region. Our university is in B zone, Helsinki is in A zone. So we need to purchase a card for AB zone for a month, and it costs you around 40 euro for a month. And you can access every transport, and you can use every transport on
So,
this card.
If I were to live in Helsinki
Yeah.
and I need to get 40 euro a month for a car that can transport me
Yeah.
from there to here.
Yeah, and also another area which is an AB zone.
Okay.
Yeah. It is very reasonable.
Yeah.
Yeah. because you know I went to the Paris for just to see the city,
Yeah.
and just for a week I got the travel pass for 45 euro or 35 euro, just for a week. It's very expensive.
Very
and
expensive, yes.
It's very expensive. You guys are from Italy?
Yeah, we
right.
were just from
Yeah,
Italy.
that's right.
Okay, because I've been to Italy, to Milan
Yeah.
Milan?
and Varjate. There is a city Varjate.
Where's are they not?
It's
Up north.
so there was I was there for some official visit. There was a company, Leonardo Helicopter Division, that deals with the helicopter manufacturing, and they have a factory in Varjate.
Versate.
So this is the countryside. I think this is far away from the city, but we stay in the Milan,
Milan.
near a Duomo.
Domo.
There is a one what is like church, or this is a famous place, Duomo, in the Milan. So I've been here. So we will see the robotic lab here and also the classroom facilities. Okay. I studying chemical engineering. Yes. Oh. So the building also is the same? No. Every school has its own building.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we have like, so our campus is an open campus. Yeah. There is no gate. It's all open.
Yes, and that's why I asked.
Yeah. So it's a all university area.
Oh.
Yeah. This is all university. It's open.
Open,
It's a very big university.
yeah. Tinggal gerak.
Di videoin aja tadi. Terus videoin terus. Pakai handphone papa.
Kamu foto di situ.
So what we see is, so in this we have the advanced level robotic place here. Yeah. So we have a few robots here, like they perform a proper things, they pick up the objects and the activities like that. But here is might be a, we can see from the outside.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Because we are working on the research, so we have this, like this one is our one of the research topics. You see that yellow one? This is also one of the work from our researchers. So
The robot.
yeah, and this is people are doing from the school of like automation, mechatronics, and electronics and electrical. So the people. So this is a high level research area where like most of the master's students are doing their thesis, and sometimes like PhD students are working here, and maybe might be sometimes bachelor students if they have some thesis to do. They yeah. So we go this side. This is some of the display. I'm not sure what it's. They show the significance of something like this is some space and technology. There's some detail about this. So about so is a lot of like we have a lot of research area in automation, mechatronics, like even electrical and electronics have a lot of research option. So there are a lot of things going on in this on school. So they have their, we will see here. So there are offices, staff offices. There are labs. We can't be able to access the lab because for that we must have the safety pass. For working in any lab, we must need to have this safety robots. Okay, we will see another one. Okay. Due to the summer, it is most of the classroom will be closed. Yeah.
Here. How long how is it? The summer
It starts from the last week of June and will last until first week of August. I'm not sure if it's open. Yeah, this is a classroom. 1 minute, let me. Yes.
Oh, it's a big class.
Yeah. So I just wanted to show you the one of the reference that how the classrooms here. So it most of the time it depends on the class size. So if we have a big class, so they might be happening here, because in electrical we usually have 70 students in a class. Sometimes 50 or bit. So that's why here every class has a big space. But most of the time students divide in a group, so that like most of the students get their attention or got the point. But most of the time the common courses have, you will see this much students filled by, yeah. Okay, we will go outside. So,
Okay.
everyone,
Okay,
you
okay.
want to take picture?
That's it. That's good.
Yeah, I just closed it. We will go this side.
Ada
This
aircon.
is also some of the display related to electrical electronics, or
Hmm.
maybe some of the project they will be mentioning. Lockbot. This is one of the automation work, and this is. It's written in a Finnish Aalto, but it is some related to some automatic optimative. It's like student casa village. I don't know. So this is all the student work.
Ngapmel dia pakai.
Oh, yeah. So, like, you will get a chance to work on the high-level projects. Like, as I mentioned over here, like, we will get a chance to work on, like, hands-on.
That's
yeah.
Oh, and this
These are the examples of some.
practice example. Yeah.
Yeah, these are the examples. We will go this side.
All right.
Electrical engineering.
I hope you get the idea from the School of Electronics or Electrical. So we have also acoustic lab, you know. You will see, they will be showing you the acoustic lab here. Because as I mentioned that this is also available on virtual tutor, but here they have displayed this acoustic lab. This is related to the sounds. Sounds smoke something. So we can't access because it's the high level lab area. We must need to get it.
If I want to apply to this major, which one should I choose?
Yeah. See.
There's only, how many, 6?
So it's. See, you have now you need to check their curriculum.
Okay.
And if this curriculum match your interest, so you will choose that one. First suggestion. Now you need to do a little bit research. You will go to each the program and they will have a little bit description. Then in the bottom there is a option written see curriculum for the year. You can see this year curriculum, and when you see the courses you will get an idea. So you need to decide by yourself that which measure.
For example, I choose this one.
Yeah.
Nama.
Yeah, you need. Okay, so if you go here, so this is the main major.
Yeah.
Now in this major, they have the description what they will teach you. Then they will talk about the
What will
structure of the study, that how much credit hours we have, and they will also talk about the further studies option, career opportunity, research focus. See here the Department of Electronic Focus, so they mention about the topic. So you will when you have, this is a big picture, bachelor in computer engineering, this is a
Okay.
big thing.
And then
Now
there's branches of it.
yeah, you will get admission in the big thing.
Okay.
Then with the there is a 3 years of like you need to complete 180 credit hours. Then with the passage of time you need to decide, you need to choose courses as per your research interest. So they like, if you wanna do study in, let's say, microwave engineering or
Okay.
sensor technology, just giving you an example,
Oh, okay.
you can choose course as per your interest area.
Okay.
Did you get my point? Yeah.
So basically, if I want to study chip technology, I choose this one. I choose
Yeah.
this major.
Yeah, you choose this major. Yeah.
Oh.
And I would suggest carefully read every major detail and what this major is offering you, and what is the prospects after getting the degree of in that major. So you need to do a proper research for that.
Why is there two? Will I study like both of these or like one?
Yeah, so it depends if you are if you have like interest area in machine learning, so you will be having in this domain. So you are not in
Getting this one.
Yeah, but the good thing here, Aalto, you have a very open freedom to choose your own courses. So you are not restricted only to study this. If you wanna study this as well, you can choose the courses.
During the admission.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So for example, I choose this major, and then I want to study sensor technology and.
Okay. During the admission, you need to choose only this big picture.
Okay.
Not deciding this.
Okay, and then
after getting into here, after securing admission, you
And
can decide that in which direction you can go.
Oh, okay. After getting admitted, I can choose. For example, I want to choose sensor technology.
Yeah.
And then I can choose another one.
Yeah.
For example, sound technology.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah. But first you need to get into the
I need to get admitted first.
first big program. Like my program is Masters in Advanced Energy Solution.
Okay.
That is my big program. But my major, what I am studying, it's Industrial Energy Processes and Sustainability. What is that it is about the industry, their processes, their efficiencies, and this like that. So my major is a big one, but I have a minor thing different.
Oh.
I hope I communicated my point well.
Okay.
Yeah. We will go outside. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I try to give as much information as I can. This is the one school I came very not quite often. Yeah, this is it. First of all, it is very far away. This is the end point. And nobody wants to come here. Oh, really? No, I'm just kidding. Like, if I am not from that school, why I want to come here? To walk such much. One thing I want to mention here, we are not to walk alone. We need to walk. Yeah.
Tapi tangannya suka ditaruh di kantong, kenapa ya? Oh, dingin ternyata. Kirain kantongnya ada isinya. Takut hilang.
Lupa pelan-pelan. Managing my living. So I just got the
tungguin aku Pak.
Hmm.
Aku mau tutup mata dan tidak melihat.
Hmm.
Jadi Bapak tutup aku ya Pak.
Itu bunganya tapi bagus-bagus.
Iya sih.
Foto naon? Kamu foto sih, apa fotonya? Bentar sih, berdiri sini. Sini Dek. Nah. Pegang ini, pegang ini.
Dingin.
Nah,
Bikin aku ketawa dong. Nah, tinggalin aja.
ikut. Pasti minta.
Jelek.
Pas cocok banget sama jaketnya. Putih.
Then it comes to your part is like, do you have any like experience or any volunteering work or any internship or maybe let's say I always advise everyone other than studies if you do some extracurricular activities like organizing events, maybe participating in some like sustainability stuff like this. You can also mention this on your CV. So that is very beneficial.
Ini pegang lah, gitunya dipegang. Biar
And
enggak.
the field which you are aiming for, the computer, it's good if you have like work on something in your life, some project, if it has some coding or maybe not coding, yeah, maybe something. If you can do some, if you already
Ya,
do
ada pup.
something, even if you want to study,
Betul.
stand out of the crowd. So you need to like show the things. I'm the best one to give them scholarship.
Kenapa ya bakal sampai jatuh aku?
Yeah. So while applying on the application form, that is
There's an
option in the last line. Don't forget to tick that one, otherwise you will not get anything. People forget to because there is an option to tick that. They ask you if you want scholarship or not. Then they will decide on your profile. So you just tick
Is it
it.
possible to, even if I take the thing out, is it possible for me to not get accepted? I mean, like to get accepted but not getting the scholarship.
Yeah, you can get accepted, but you will not get
It is still
scholarship.
possible.
It is possible. You will get the admission, but you need to pay a fee. But I don't know how it works for the EU people. I think they don't need to pay the fees, or maybe I'm not sure. But it's better to have this just to take this part. Yeah.
Like gambling anyway.
Yeah. And there is no harm. We should supposed to stop here. I always forget the slide that it's my weakness. I have a problem with right and left. So we are supposed to go on the left.
Always.
Alright, so it depends. We just see the road. On left side is our side.
What's the percentage?
For the international students, even students get the admission. It's not like that they going to get the admission, they get the admission, but competition is high. We will go to the one of the newest buildings, that is Marcio. When we go inside, I will talk about it. So, my job is to talk. Even though I'm struggling. No, thank you. Because I met the commitment just for this tour, so I can't. And I want to mention one thing. Because I always take the family tour because I always enjoy for giving the information to the family because it's good that all the family see the university and everything. Okay, so this is the newest building. We did it inaugurated last year in November. And here is some of the project display. Let me show you. It is not working now, but it is like related to the competition. Like this is the research work done by the quantum research. So what happens, like most of the company finance the project and students work on that project. Another thing that Aalto emphasize on entrepreneurship. So it is something which is very highly encourageable. Like you work on some entrepreneur idea or some project. So it's this is
So for example, if the company offer a project, so the students here will work on it.
yeah. Yeah. So this is the shop is closed now, but this is Aalto shop. So we have the customized shirt, cups, bags, and the things like this.
Close?
It's closed now. So unfortunately, yeah. You will see. If you have some project or work you have to present here. I once presented here in front of the audience for one of my projects which we have worked with the VTD. That is the area for the project display. It is closed now, but most of the time here different project display from the students are happening here every time, most often during the start of the semester. And sometime in October, November, depends. Yeah. We'll go this way. We also have a podcast room. So if anyone has podcast recording. So if anyone student has an interest to record the podcast, we can directly. So we have one application, we call it Aalto Space. I will show you more rooms over there. We can book any meeting room from this application and also that podcast room. We will go this.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, it's done. This building has a mini learning hub, like study places, classrooms, a big classroom as well. So maybe might be sometimes you might have the classes here. They also have the computer classes, or every school has their own computer lab. Like this building also have the computer lab. And some of the common offices here. And I also talk about one of the things here when I will be raised here. I save my work. Again. This one is yeah, this one.
Thank
So
you.
during the summer it happens because most of the printing time gets less. So if you come here without tour guide, you will not able to get into.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is the starting point of this building. This is also some of the sitting places for the students. So this is also one of the classrooms.